With all due respect, Einstein, your theory of relativity is outdated.
You wear diapers and talk about rockets. Sit down.
Whoa, did that baby just call Einstein a fraud on a podcast? Yep, and it's going viral. AI baby podcasts are everywhere. Tiny toddlers with huge opinions, dishing out hot takes like mini philosophers. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own from scratch. No mic, no baby, just AI and creativity. And if you stick around till the end, I'll reveal the secret tool that can do everything in one click. Let's raise some chaos in the crib. All right, let's give our baby something to argue about. This is where the magic starts. ChatGPT is your personal writer's room. If you already know which two baby characters you want, great. But if you're stuck, just ask ChatGPT. Give me 10 funny ideas for AI-generated podcast videos. You'll get a list of hilarious combos. Pick one that makes you laugh out loud. That's your gold mine. For now, I would like to go ahead with Baby Elon and Baby Einstein. Now let's write the actual podcast. Ask ChatGPT. Write a short script for a podcast based on, paste your idea. Make the dialogues funny and witty. Make sure you tell it to keep the script under 45 seconds for best engagement. Once done, hit enter, and you'll get a mini script. Read it, tweak it, and punch it up. Add some absurd baby logic like, my pacifier has Bluetooth. If it's not hitting, don't worry. Just ask ChatGPT to rewrite it completely. Keep the script short, 4 to 6 lines per character max. Let the dialogue breathe. Leave space for facial expressions, dramatic pauses, and punchlines. You want people to watch and immediately think, this is so dumb, I need to share it. That's how you go viral. Now that we've got our script and characters, it's time to turn our baby podcasters into actual visuals. And the easiest way to start? Let ChatGPT write your image prompts for you. Instead of writing everything manually, just ask ChatGPT something like, give me a detailed visual prompt for a baby version of Elon Musk and Einstein sitting at a podcast table. This should cover what the baby looks like, what they're wearing, the environment and accessories like headphones and a mic. To ensure your visuals feel like they're in the same world, add this to your prompt. Make sure the background, lighting, and camera angle are the same for both babies. Also, specify the type of shot you want. I'm going with mid shots here. They show the baby's face, headphones, and mic clearly without zooming in too much. Once you've added all those details, hit enter, and ChatGPT will give you a rich, descriptive prompt that you can copy and paste directly into your image generation site. Or, if you want more control, you can ask ChatGPT to format the prompt specifically for your tool, like playground.ai, which I'm using here, so I'll make sure the prompt fits its style and formatting. Once you've got your prompts ready, head over to playground.ai or any image generation tool you prefer. Paste in the prompt, set the aspect ratio to portrait and the quality to high. You can also customize the format, background style, and moderation settings based on the look you're going for. Playground currently allows you to generate up to 10 images at once, but for now, I'll select 4 to keep things focused. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Now move on to your next prompt. Paste it in, and make sure to remove any unnecessary or conflicting details before generating again. You'll start seeing adorable baby versions of your characters, oversized headphones, chunky podcast mics, whatever chaos you included in the prompt. Just make sure the background, lighting, table, and mic setup stay consistent across all characters. Even though they're generated separately, they should look like they're sitting in the same room, part of the same scene. Pro tip: if a generation looks off, don't settle. Slightly reword the prompt and try again. Small changes can make a big difference. Once you're satisfied, hit download. Now that we've got our baby visuals ready, it's time to make them talk. For this part, you can use any text-to-speech tool, but honestly, 11 Labs works best, so we'll use that. Start by separating the dialogues. Ask ChatGPT. From the script, give me both the baby's dialogues separately. It'll neatly break them up for you. Cross-check, then copy and paste one character's lines into 11 labs. Choose a voice model that sounds like the original celeb, or go with something playful and expressive. Hit Generate.
Welcome to Battle of the Bottles. I'm Baby Elon, inventor of the world's first self-driving stroller.
If it sounds good, download and move to the next character using a different voice model.
Better than crying every time your pacifier drops. Easy. I stare at it until it realizes I'm smarter.
You can also tweak settings like stability, similarity, and speaking speed for more control.
Better than crying every time your pacifier drops.
Once you're happy with the voices, download and label the files by character. It'll save you a ton of time during editing. Now that we've got our voiceovers ready, let's make these babies talk, literally. Head to hedra.ai, upload the voice clip you generated earlier from 11 labs, and upload the image of the baby. Change the ratio to 9:16 and hit enter. Do the same for the second baby. You can also enhance the audio from here if needed. Make sure the audio matches the character in the image. Baby Elon's voice with Baby Elon's face, of course. Hedra automatically generates a talking animation. You can adjust head movement, emotion, and intensity, or leave it on default if it looks good. Click Preview and watch your baby character come to life. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save your animated clip. Do this for both characters' lines, and you'll have talking baby clips ready to drop into your final edit. Time to bring everything together. We're using Capwing for this tutorial. It's browser-based and beginner-friendly. Import your Hedra clips. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for reels or shorts. Trim awkward pauses with their Auto Smart Cut feature. Even a slight shift can make a big difference. Arrange the scenes in order. Refer back to the script if needed. Add bold, playful subtitles with emojis to match the baby vibe. Keep it fast-paced. Once all looks good, export it. Aim for under 60 seconds for the best scroll-stopping performance. Feeling overwhelmed jumping between tools? Here's a little secret. You can do all of this in one place using Frame.io. Just describe your idea. A baby podcast where Baby Elon argues with Baby Einstein about who's smarter. Funny tone. You can also paste in your dialogue for more control and describe how each character should look. Pick the visual style, choose your aspect ratio, and hit Create. Frame.io handles the rest. It writes a full script, casts your characters, and even lets you customize them if needed, or stick with the defaults. Once that's set, it generates a storyboard for your video, creating all the images at once, saving you hours of manual work. You can literally sit back and relax while Frame.io builds your entire project. It will also generate background music for you. You can adjust the voice of the music as well. When you're ready, just click Animate, and Frame.io will generate all your video clips at once, right inside the platform. No switching tools, no stitching things together, just one streamlined workflow from start to finish. You can always reiterate the image in case you don't like it. By simply selecting it and entering edit mode, you can generate a new image or simply recompose. Then animating the image to give it life. When you're done, head back to your timeline, and voila!
Welcome to Battle of the Bottles. I'm Baby Elon, inventor of the world's first self-driving stroller. With me is Baby Einstein. He thinks thinking is a personality.
Better than crying every time your pacifier drops.
All right, genius. How do you solve problems?
I whisper quantum physics to them. They usually give up. How do you launch rockets?
Easy. I strap them to my diaper blowouts and boom. Instant liftoff. What's the meaning of time?
When the milk's warm and the poop is cold. What's your IQ?
High enough to hack my baby monitor. I live stream naps now.
Thanks for tuning in, folks. That's it for today.
Next time we solve world peace using Legos.
Once you're satisfied with the final result, hit download to render and export your full video, or grab individual assets, whatever you need, and that's how you create a viral baby podcast, start to finish, powered by AI. make someone laugh, raise an eyebrow, or think, why is this baby smarter than me? That's the kind of content people can't help but share. Thank you for watching. You can find links for all the tools in our bio.